So, hi guys! So, ito ang New World AI dashboard. So, as you can see guys, may balance ako na 1,000 pesos and libre lang ito since nakapag-invite ako ng 5 valid users and VIP 1 na ako. So, kasi meron sila na paganyan, pa VIP exclusive reward na kapag nakapag-invite ka ng 5 members, meron kang rewards na 1,000 pesos and rice cooker gift. So, yung 5 members na yan, dapat ang ni-recharge nila ay 500 pesos and nakapag-buy sila ng worth of 500 na product. So, sa 500 na yon kikita sila ng 30 pesos in just 3 days. So, babalik yung ni-recharge nila or yung profit nila na yung 500 pesos magiging 530. So, yan guys. Try na natin mag-withdraw. Yan, mag-withdraw ako ng 1,000. Tapos, password ko ay yan. So, submitted successfully na. As you can see guys, available balance ko is 0 na. And titignan natin kung gaano kabilis yung ating withdraw. So, guys, nakapag-withdraw na ako ng kanina ng 622. Tapos, nag-withdraw naman ako ng 1,000 pesos. So, current status is transferring na siya. So, wait na lang natin dumating sa ating GCash. So, as you can see guys, may 500 tokens ako. Ito yung mga pwede mong i-exchange sa tokens. Pag may 100 tokens ka, pwede mo siyang, ayan guys, dumating na yung withdraw, yung withdraw ko na 1,000. Dear user, your withdrawal has been completed. Please check whether the funds you have arrived. So, dumating na yung aking withdraw. So, check natin yung ating transaction withdrawal record. So, yan guys, success na and wala siyang kinaltas or wala siyang handling fee. So, 0 siya. Ayan guys, meron akong 1,000 pesos sa aking GCash. Check natin kung meron sa ating GCash kung dumating ba yung 1,000. Wait lang.